Hello everyone, going to do a review about a Diecast Talk exclusive made by GCD. Another Diecast Talk exclusive, yes, because a couple of days ago I did a review about the Pizza Planet truck. Also a Diecast exclusive made by GCD. Had a little bit of trouble with the decals, and when I picked up this model, the decals were falling off, so I think I have to use some glue. I made them wet again. I gave it another try, but if this don't work, I will use some glue. And then I hope it will stay on its place, yeah. Oh, decals. Oh, and I think I also have to use some glue for this right here, and I need to do some weathering for the cap. The white cap is way too white, way too clean. But today we're going to talk about this Toyota Land Cruiser 70 Arab exclusive with figures and a driver behind the wheel. That looks very cool. You see there is a wheel missing. There's a reason for that. And you can see it here on the back. There is a photo. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think this is a real photo. That is made, not AI. Yeah, these days you don't know it. Well, there's one thing you know, my videos aren't AI. Yeah, like I said, Diecast Talk exclusive. So Diecast Talk is a store that sells Diecast model cars, mostly 164 online, and you can see they're also active on social media, Instagram, and this is the web shop website. And here we can see it's official licensed product, and we can see the barcode and article number. Let's not wait any longer and take this beauty out of the package. A while ago this model was released. I missed it. It was released at 5 p.m. Pacific time. And here in the Netherlands, that is 2 o'clock at night. So most of the time I will set an alarm clock, but this time I thought, nah, not this time. I was way too tired, but I was lucky because Diecast Talk did another sell of this car at New Year's Eve, same time, also for the Netherlands, 2 o'clock at night. And I was lucky because I was working. So I've set my alarm clock, and guess what? I was one of the lucky persons that has one. And it was sold out in minutes. Nice diorama. Very well done. That is really cool. Yeah, this is number 303 out of 504. Okay, here we can see the extra tire. And there is a display stand. Okay, let's see how this works. There's no manual, as usual. But we can find out how it works. So here we have the car with the driver behind the wheel. That looks really cool. I think in the future they can do more cars with a driver behind the wheel, in my opinion. Yeah, metal base, and there's a Diecast Talk logo. I like that. Nice rubber tires, good profile, good rims. And we got a license plate, Toyota Land Cruiser, heating in the back window, Toyota logo. Landslides here, 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 and here. Windows on the side, no opening parts. There is a snorkel here for air. Yeah, good rolling wheels with suspension. And here, these are also landslides. And I believe GCD also released a Toyota Land Cruiser. Not this one, but just a normal one without a driver and all four wheels on it. Okay, let's see. And if I'm right, I've ordered that one too. Okay, let's see what we got here. Here we got 2 figures. And those have to be somewhere on the side. So this is the dude with the key to take the tire off. Figure is looking very good. Yeah. Looks very nice. I will place it here. And then we have another wrap dude right here. Yeah. And then we have to figure out how we put those dudes on the car. Okay, we got some more accessories here. Let's see how we can open this. Here. Okay, so we have the tire. We have the display stand. Then we have this right here. Not sure what it is for. And we have the gum, and I think that's here to put the figures on its place. So, okay, we have, yeah, I think this dude should be somewhere right here. Or maybe here. Yeah. And okay, this one should be, I have no idea. Wow. Maybe somewhere right here. And then this dude. Okay, I'm going to figure out how we have to do this. Back in a sec. Okay, so I figured out it has to be like this. And yeah, I have to use some of that white gum to make sure the figures will stay on its place. This here, I find out, is for here. You can see that. I'll take the figures right here and this right here. Okay, you can also see that here on the other side. And there you have to put the wheel on, and then you have a normal car with a driver behind a steering wheel. So it doesn't have to be you have 2 options, with the figures and without the figures, just with the wheel. So I'm going to do that, both options. Let's see how it looks. Here is how it looks like. A bizarre way to change tire position with the display stand keeping the car in position. Yeah, I think it's a totally awesome and exclusive set based on a true event. I think that's the most bizarre thing about this. Yeah, really cool. Also, the figures are looking really good. Okay, now we're going to have a look at normal position with the tire on the car. And here it is with the tire on it. It was not, well, was not super difficult, but it took some power to put the wheel on. You have to press it pretty hard. Don't be afraid to break it, but still be careful because you never know. Yeah, now it looks very cool, especially with the driver behind the wheel. I think more diecast brands should do that. A driver behind the wheel makes it much more realistic. Okay, thank you, Diecast Talk, for this wonderful exclusive. I really like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash the like button. Click, 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 click. And I'll see you next time. Bye.